Artificial intelligence AI is the buzzword that has hit the headlines for some years now, reflecting pictures of machines invading workplaces from driving cars to diagnose diseases. And as it gains momentum, a debate is asked, can AI fully replace human jobs? Artificial intelligence or AI is no longer a concept of science fiction. It is already part of our daily lives, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to self driving cars, smart recommendations on YouTube, and even robots in hospitals. But the big question is, will AI replace humans? Will it take away our jobs? At first glance, the answer may seem frightening. Yes, it might. Machines are becoming faster, smarter, and more efficient. They don't get tired, don't take breaks, and don't make human errors. In factories, robots are already replacing workers. In offices, AI tools are handling data entry, customer service, and even basic decision making. According to reports, millions of jobs may disappear in the coming years due to automation. But wait, is that the full story? The answer is no. History teaches us something important. During the Industrial Revolution, machines replaced manual labor, but at the same time, they created new industries, new opportunities, and new types of jobs. Similarly, AI is not just a job destroyer, it is also a job creator. New careers are emerging like AI engineers, data scientists, cybersecurity expert, digital marketers, content creators. AI can do repetitive tasks, but it cannot replace human creativity, emotions, ethics, and imagination. Can a machine feel love? Can it understand human pain? Can it create art with real emotions? No. That is where humans will always be superior. Instead of fearing AI, we must learn to adapt and grow with it. The future belongs not to those who resist change, but to those who embrace it. We need to upgrade our skills, focus on creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Skills that machines cannot copy easily. Let us not forget, AI is created by humans, it is our tool, not our replacement. So, my dear friends, AI will not take all jobs, but it will definitely change the way we work. The real question is not, will AI take our jobs? The real question is, are we ready for the future? In conclusion, AI is not a threat if we are prepared. It is an opportunity, a powerful one, to build a smarter and a better world. Let us welcome AI, but never forget the power of being a human. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.